Hello YouTube, this is John. This video I'm going to show you how to enter the BIOS system and how to enable the boot menu. I'm going to combine this video in order to help others check and see what's in the BIOS system. So first of all, you click F2 to go to the BIOS system. F2 repeatedly. Then when you reach here, you're going to go ahead and see what's in the BIOS here. So this could be the same. This is an Acer Swift. Then you have this. So when you reach here, you have the main menu. So you can go ahead and see that the boot menu, when it is disabled, you can enable it from here. So you might find it when it is disabled. So these are the settings that you have to make sure that they are on when you enter your BIOS system. So you have the USB wake up support. You have to enable that so that you can also have the USB drives being read on the PC. So we have the other behavior and function keys. You go here, you have to leave it in that setting. So if you have issues with the PC recovering, you can enable that. In my case here, so fast booting. So this will help you when the PC you want to boot it very fast. So we have here the network boot. So you can leave this off or disabled in case. I don't think most of you use the network boot options on your PC. Another thing, we have the time. You have to make sure also the time works. Then we go to this point. So these are enabled security wise. You don't have to go there mostly. So when you reach here, this is the boot menu. So this is what we have in our Acer Swift BIOS system. This was just a walkthrough through our BIOS system. So I'm going to stop from here by saving the changes. You can always go to quit by saving changes. Also can quit discard. So you can also click F10 as our shortcut to save changes then, and the computer will restart. So I'm going to click enter. Computer is going to restart and to load our windows very well. So in our case here, you can even click to check on the boot menu. It's working very well. So let me restart again by clicking Ctrl Alt Delete. Okay. This is it. So I'm going to stop from here. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Join my membership to support my work. So I'll be uploading more videos. And plus check out my live videos, and those car interior videos are there for you guys. Have a nice time. Goodbye.